It's been said that a crisis is a terrible thing to waste. During the medical malpractice crisis of the 1980s and 90s, a group of Massachusetts dentists decided to create their own company. Eastern Dentist Insurance Company's focus on responding to dentist needs begins with a live person answering telephone calls and immediately transferring callers to a customer service representative.
Good afternoon, Eastern Dentist Insurance. How may I direct your call?
Good afternoon, this is Donna. How can I help you? When the phone rings, we drop what we're doing and we answer the phone. It's one of the major points of our customer service here is to provide immediate customer service.
I think that dates back to when I was a practicing dentist myself, and I hated not being able to get through to the person I wanted to get to when I needed them. So as a result, we've made a conscious decision over the years that we're going to give direct live body service to our dentists.
Dr. Hapcook recalls that the medical malpractice crisis forced all Massachusetts physicians into a state malpractice pool. When dentists learned they'd built up a substantial surplus of money in the pool, the State Dental Society decided to create its own insurance company. In 1992, EDIC wrote its first professional liability policies for 1,800 Massachusetts dentists. Today, EDIC insures 4,200 dentists in New England, New York, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania.
Being a niche company, our tagline is by dentists for dentists. And so our competitive edge really comes from understanding dentistry, listening to the dentist, sticking to our mission, and providing them with not only the insurance coverage but the services that they ask for. We also will very aggressively provide risk management and claims management, which means that if you're a company that has a $100 million medical claim and a $50,000 dental claim, your dental claim isn't going to get a whole lot of attention. In our company, that's all we have is dental claims, so each and every one of them is going to get a lot of attention.
When Dr. Kenneth Malamut was sued for malpractice, it took 6 years to win an acquittal. EDIC provided legal counsel, expert witnesses, and moral support for his long, hard court battle.
Some insurance companies just as easily could take your money and look to settle as quickly as possible. They don't have to be supportive of you as a person. They don't have to prep you as intensely as they did. They could just look for what is the best way for them to make money. And EDIC went so overboard on really, for me, doing the right thing. It was just extraordinary. It's everything I hope I give to patients in my practice.
Not that I'm a business person, I'm just a lawyer, but I think what it does is it creates a good business model for the EDIC because they can say to dentists, come to us and we'll defend you to the end. And I'm not sure all insurance companies can make the same promise.
The big difference is EDIC has provided risk management courses over the years to help us learn how to keep our records properly, the things we can do to prevent any problems. I'd never remember in my previous dealings with other insurance companies them providing risk management courses.
One of our board of directors is an orthodontist, and at one of our last meetings he brought up the fact that there is a new technique that has started by orthodontists where they actually put little mini implants in the mouth in order to anchor certain areas to move teeth. Well, we need to know that the orthodontists that we insure in the company have taken courses before they're doing these procedures.
We also do things like live webinars, and we have a job board where they can post requests for associates, or where a young dentist might be looking for a new job. So we really make them feel like we are a part of their community.
And that is getting worse at night.
By dentists for dentists means catering to different needs at different career stages. New dentists need different coverage than retiring dentists, and EDIC invests in the future of dentistry by contributing funding and experienced guest lecturers to dental schools in its coverage region.
We support a lunch and learn at these schools, which is a risk management type seminar, which is very important for these young professionals to understand malpractice issues, study cases, mock trials, etc., to help them prepare for their professional lives.
Okay. And do you need any workers' comp?
EDIC has a 70% market share in Massachusetts and room to grow within the northeastern U.S. But the company's goal isn't to be the biggest dental malpractice insurance company in the country, just the best.